Hey guys, what is up? Albino Polar Bear here. We're playing some more Phantom Forces. As you guys know, I think they added some new shotguns. If I go here, yeah, they added a new shotgun, which looks pretty cool. But before we get started, guys, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and turn on notifications so you guys can stay tuned whenever I upload a new video. Alright, today I got the starter case. I have 10 of them. That's crazy. Alright. 10 hexagon for the sniper, but let's get right into it. Hopefully we can deploy. What is Alright. We deployed. Oh, that's loud. Guys, alright. We got kill. Pretty nice. Wanna run in here. Alright, oh. And I was killed. Alright, that's okay. Where is that volume? Because that is really loud. No wonder it's so loud. Alright guys, so we're back again. Sorry about that small intermission. But so far we're doing pretty good. Alright, we're gonna see, wait, what color are we? I'm not even sure. But guys, tell me if you like some more Phantom Forces gameplay. I'm probably gonna upload every weekend. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Alright, so yeah guys. Make sure you comment down below if you guys want me to do any like challenges or something. So yeah. Comment down below also what your favorite weapon is, and so yeah. If you guys subscribe, I'll be announcing you in one of my videos. I'm not sure which one, but I'll be announcing you, so make sure to subscribe if you want to be announced in my videos. Looks like we have all the beacons, so oh fuck. Alright. Alrighty guys, can we no, it's not possible. Oh god. So let's see if somebody's over here. Ooh. Yeah. Hi. Alright, so we killed them. Good job. Alrighty. Kill. Pretty nice kill right there. And looks like they got the beacon. Alright. Kill. Got a nice sexy kill. Yes, killed him. How many kills do we have right now? Tell me, guys, in the comment section below. Tell me what your highest kill game is. Right now we have 7 kills, 2 deaths, which isn't bad since I just got here, but still pretty bad. Ah, come on. Alright, that was pretty bad. But alright, I think we're gonna snipe. See how far. Recon. Yeah, there we go. Alright. So we are here, Mr. Sniper here. Oh shoot. Who the hell is? Oh. Wow. Alrighty then. Yeah, so we're going to go back to scout, I think, with a shotgun, yeah. I think we got a new attachment for it. So attachments, I'm gonna be trying to unlock an attachment every video, guys, just to like make it pretty cool and exciting for you guys. A flashlight is probably like not the best idea, but so yeah, that's basically all I have for you guys today. Well, here are the new shotguns. That is not the new one. The Saiga 12, I think is how you say it. I'm not sure. And then there's the DBV double barrel V something 12. I'm not sure what the V stands for. And then we got the Spas, which looks pretty lit. Then we got the Siege. I have no idea. Level 63, level 120, And yeah, so and you got the Steve's DBS and stuff. But other than that, we didn't really unlock much other stuff, which I want the SKS, but no, not the SKS, the SVU. But that's basically all I have for today for you guys. So make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and turn notifications so you guys can stay tuned for whenever I upload a new video. But that'll be all for today's video. So make sure you stay tuned for my next video. Alright guys, bye.